Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. And as always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to review the upcoming earnings for this next week. Earnings reports are important to follow because they provide insight on historical performance, typically on the previous quarter, and future guidance, which includes information a company provides as an indication or estimate of its future earnings. So first company is Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol J&J. Past year, up 3.86%. Past 5 years, up 39.96%. This is a very good dividend stock. It has a dividend yield of 2.78. P ratio is 24.24. Market capitalization is $362 billion. And this is on the higher end of the 52-week range. Next is Bank of America, ticker symbol BAC. Past year, down 3.08%. Past 5 years, up 87.98%. Dividend yield is 2.19. P ratio is 11.56. And market cap is $291.72 billion. Next is UnitedHealth, ticker symbol UNH. UnitedHealth is also a good dividend stock. Dividend yield is to 1.385. P ratio is 18.31. And market capitalization is $214.29 billion. Next is PepsiCo, ticker symbol PEP. I like PepsiCo more than Coca-Cola just because they're more diversified, not just in beverages, but also snacks. Past year, up 12.29%. Past 5 years, up 46.26%. This is also a good dividend stock with a dividend yield of 3.25. P ratio is 13.89, and market cap is $172.22 billion. Next is Citigroup, ticker symbol C. It's another bank stock. Past year, down 8%. Past 5 years, up 42.09%. Dividend yield is 2.96. P ratio is 10.095. And market cap is $159.68 billion. A lot of the bank stocks have a fairly low P ratio, and I can see why Warren Buffett, one of the greatest value investors, is heavily investing in bank stocks. Next is Netflix, ticker symbol NFLX. Past year, up 10.62%. Past 5 years, up 638.08%. This is a very high growth stock. There's no dividend yield, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. And it's a very high PE ratio with 131.02, and market cap is $153.31 billion. Next is Abbott Labs, ticker symbol ABT. Past year, up 31.82%. Past 5 years, up 109.82%. Dividend yield is 1.604. P ratio is 58.65, and market cap is $136.96 billion. Next is International Business Machines, ticker symbol IBM. Past year, down 9.18%. Past 5 years, down 26.57%. Seems like this stock has been trending downwards the past 5 years. It's a fairly high dividend yield with 5.46. P ratio is 15.18, and market cap is $128.83 billion. Next is US Bank Corp, ticker symbol USB. Past year, down 3.11%. Past 5 years, up 22.58%. Dividend yield is 2.93. P ratio is 12.14. And market cap is $80.77 billion. Again, this is another bank stock, so it's a fairly low P ratio. Next is Morgan Stanley, ticker symbol MS. Past year, down 14.78%. Past 5 years, up 62.09%. Dividend yield is 2.77. P ratio is 9.896. And market cap is $79.36 billion. Last but not least is Goldman Sachs, ticker symbol GS. Another bank stock, past year, down 20.55%. Past 5 years, up 34.43%. Dividend yield is 1.886. P ratio is 8.234. And market cap is $76.43 billion. Another bank stock that is fairly low P ratio. So that's all for this video. What are your favorite stocks and which earnings reports are you looking forward to? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.